Good evening. As the coronavirus outbreak continues to roil the nation, Governor Steve Bullock and his administration have issued directives to try to slow the spread of the disease in Montana. Today they answered questions about those steps and indicated that further action will be considered in the future. MTN's Mike Dennison met with them at the Capitol today.
On Sunday, the Bullock administration took three major actions meant to slow the spread of infections from the coronavirus. All schools in Montana are now closed through March 27th. Visitations to nursing homes are suspended, and the governor is recommending people refrain from holding or attending all gatherings of more than 50 people. Bullock said Monday he knows these steps will impose hardships on many families, but that they're needed to protect people vulnerable to the disease.
I can't underscore the seriousness of following these measures to help our neighbors, friends, and families, and because their safety really is in all of our hands. We Montanans, we've always rallied together in times of crisis. There's no doubt that family schedules will be uprooted. Sacrifices are going to have to be made. But I think the time to act is really now before the spread of infection gets worse.
When asked how long these changes will be enforced or whether more actions are on tap, State Medical Officer Greg Holtzman said it's difficult to know.
As we start to look at how individual hospitals are being hit, who is being most affected, what are the best strategies that we can do to keep people safe, I think these guidelines will be continually updated.
As for whether restaurants and bars can remain open in Montana, the governor said at this point that decision is being left to local health departments, some of which are already acting. As of Monday afternoon, 204 Montanans have been tested for the virus, with only 6 testing positive. Bullock said all 6 are being treated at home. The governor and health officials said their goal is to keep the number of positive cases in Montana at a minimum and therefore decrease the stress on healthcare providers. So at this point, it looks like maybe one thing is certain, that Montana's response to this outbreak is still evolving and bound to change. At the Capitol, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
There were another 109 tests that were being conducted today. The results are expected later this evening. When we get those results, we'll be sure to let you know. To watch the governor's full news conference, we have posted that on our website.